Let's go to the necessary ingredients.
300 grams of flour, 300 grams of chocolate powder, and milk as needed. In the first step, pour the milk into the container. Add flour and chocolate powder. Stir a little. Add the dark chocolate. Stir the liquid under heat until it hardens a little. Cut the milk envelope and then pour the liquid into it. And put in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Congratulations, your dessert is ready. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, for supporting me and the content that's shared with you dear ones. Good luck, my friends.